Tonight and only on News 10, the Lafayette Police Department is in talks to form a partnership to deal with mental health as it relates to violent crime. Last week, the police chief met with Catholic Charities of Acadiana and leaders of the Laplace community. Here's KLFY senior reporter Renee Allen with the details.
So Lafayette police tell me that at that Laplace meeting, they were able to voice their concerns. They say they're not able to do this alone. They need help identifying those who are dealing with issues of mental health. In fact, I'm told that the chief even stated that they need assistance to make it happen. Sergeant Robin Green says a law enforcement officer is an officer of the law. They are not mental health professionals.
We do recognize that arrest is not the answer for those having mental crisis.
Sergeant Green says after the chief met last week with the Catholic Charities of Acadiana and community leaders, they held a discussion with the behavioral health system out of Mandeville. It was on Monday that an agreement was formed to start a partnership.
By what we see, we can transport these individuals to the emergency room. We can relate to the doctor what we observe, what we're seeing, what they're telling us. And from there, we let mental professionals determine whether this person is having a mental crisis or not, or if it's just normal criminal behavior.
Currently, police are in a situation that can be problematic. They arrive on the scene to protect and serve, but sometimes it's the suspect who needs protection and a service of understanding.
We do have compassion, and then we've had several incidents over the last couple of months.
They are in the planning stages of this. One idea is to have a medical professional ride with the officers, but again, they are still working on those details. Renee Allen reporting for KLFY News 10.
Thank you, Renee. The behavioral health system LPD is working with is called the Ness Center. Sergeant Green says they're also talking about setting up an office in Lafayette to put them in closer proximity to the police department.